Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Bitvavo to your wallet. So to do this, just open up your Bitvavo and then from here, just scroll down and you will see this Bitcoin right here. Now, I can also do this within the application, but if you're using the website, then this is what you're going to do. So what you're going to do next is just click on withdraw from here. And right here, once you're in Bitcoin, then you need to enable crypto withdrawals. To ensure crypto withdrawals, you need to have two-factor authentication enabled and confirm with a zero point 0.1 cent balance. So top up, so just going to set up two-factor authentication. So just click on continue from here, and then from here, click enable crypto withdrawals. Then just enter your password, and after putting your password, just click on continue again. Now for this, I will need to first verify my phone number, and then after you have to set up basically, so you will just need to go to the section where you can enter a wallet that you want to send money to. So now, when sending Bitcoin, usually it will be over the BTC network, but you just want to make sure that both the receiving address and the network that you're sending with are going to use the same network. And now, if you're using the application, just go and open up Bitcoin, and then in the top right, you will see the three dots. So just go ahead and click on those three dots and then click withdraw Bitcoin. And then from there, you will be able to do the same exact thing. So that's how you send Bitcoin from Bitvavo to your wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!